Hello YouTube and welcome to another amazing video. Today I have iPad mini with me. So let's see what's in the box. Unboxing Apple products is like experiencing deja vu. Underneath the iPad, we have the user guide, which conceals the power brick and a USB-C cable. Power brick again is 20 watt to charge the iPad swiftly. iPad mini literally feels like a smaller iPad Air. iPad mini also comes with Touch ID, which is embedded in the power button. iPad mini now supports Apple Pencil. And that's it from me today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.